Alright guys, so 500,000 emails from new lead generation tools. You know what guys, I decided to use the same lead generation tools that I will share with you in this video to generate over 500,000 emails in less than 2 days. Such a big list in a short time, right? Yes, you got that right. So making use of the right lead gen tool will not only provide efficiency but also speed up lead generation for your business. And I also included some tools that will help you script emails from Facebook groups. So let this remain a secret for the time being, okay? If you are happy with this, let me know in the comments section below. Now listen friends, if you want to see more review videos on softwares like this and get free leads from me and my team, do well to subscribe now to see you in the next marketing software we will be reviewing next. Now if you want me to give you this email list of 500,000 new leads, listen to this. Let me know if you need this in the comment section below, and I will send you a personal download link for the Google Sheet containing all the 500,000 new leads you can download right into your device. So now let's get started with the lead gen tools. So the first on our list here is LeadRocks. So LeadRocks is a reliable B2B contact database and email outreach software with over 100 million records, emails, phone numbers, and LinkedIn profiles. So you can get high quality leads for your hyper targeted outreach here just using LeadRocks. You can check out LeadRocks to find out more details about them and also get to see if their pricing plan would work best for you. Now the second tool on our list here is called SmartLead, and I myself like SmartLead. So SmartLead is an all-in-one cutting-edge technology that helps you find pre-qualified leads. So with SmartLead, you are getting real-time small business leads from Google Maps, Bing Places, and LinkedIn. So this software can help you grow your revenue, and you can join the largest community and work with the cleanest data day in and day out. So all you need to do here on SmartLead is to provide your targeted industry info, and you get access to accurate data, free credit, and also access to early futures. And that's it guys for SmartLead. Now for Subpage, okay, this is the simplest way to create lead magnets and collect leads. Now this is also powered by AI. So all you need to do here on Subpage is that Subpage allows you to simplify your lead generation process with Subpages. You can create beautiful lead magnets, get your content, and export your leads to your favorite tools all without hassle. So stay on top of your lead generation game with powerful management and analytics tool, where you can export your leads to your favorite tools like CXV or directly to tools like Zapier. You can also monitor your lead magnet performance. You can track the number of visitors, your views, and conversions with ease right here on Subpage. And also Subpage allows you to integrate with other apps, and you can use plugins to connect with Subpage to your existing marketing softwares. So don't let complex tools slow you down. Get started with Subpage today and supercharge your marketing game right away. And now guys, we have the group collector. Now this is the one that is mainly used by Facebook group owners. So this is a tool that every Facebook group owner must learn to use to automate new groups members onboarding. Now Group Collector allows you to collect new Facebook group members' assets, including their emails, and save them into your Google Sheet and autoresponder. If you want to get access to those tools, you can come over to Group Collector, and right here on their website you can find out more information about those tools. So you can connect unlimited Facebook groups, you can approve unlimited Facebook group members, and also you can save Facebook group members' data into Google Sheet, which is also preferable by many other outreach software out there. So you can integrate Facebook group collector with autoresponders without using Zapier, and you have access to lifetime software update, and it works for both new and old Facebook account. So this is the perfect tool for those guys out there who want to start scraping data and emails, phone numbers, and every other thing you can think of from Facebook groups. So check out Group Collector today and start exporting all your data right from Facebook groups. We also have Local Scraper here. So this is a good local generation software which also has 7-in-1 lead generation softwares that allows you to scrape the largest map site for leads. So Local Scraper enables you to scrape 7 of the internet largest listing and maps website, including Google Maps, Google Places, Bing Maps, Yahoo Maps, and many more. So with those tools, it is possible for you to get more data than anyone else. You can get data like names, addresses, phone numbers, website descriptions, rating, reviews, email addresses, verified listing, closed listing, and other vital information you might be interested in. And lastly guys, share with you my favorite tool amongst all others, which is the Lead Sniper scraping tools. So every scraping tool you can think of is inside the Lead Sniper scraping software. So this tool works on multiple browsers by helping you scrape the exact data you need for your business. So from Google Maps to social media app scraper such as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and it continues that way. They also have the Yellow Page scraper, which helps you scrape data from any Yellow Page website of your choice. So this remains the unbeatable amongst all. So having a tool that can help you scrape data from anywhere of your choice, that is what the Lead Sniper scraper tool can do. So check out Lead Sniper tools today and get access to this tool. And of course, their pricing plan is just a one-time payment where you get to pay once and you have paid for a lifetime. So if you actually found value from every of the tools that I just made mention of, please let me know which is going to be your favorite tool in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe now and let me know if you need access to the 500,000 email list that I have promised to give out to you. And I'll see you in my other videos. Take care of yourself and bye.